Deep within the rainforests of the Americas, where sunlight barely reaches the forest floor, a shadow moves without a sound. It is not a myth, not a legend. It is real, and it is rare. The black jaguar is not a separate species. It is a jaguar, born with a rare genetic trait known as melanism. This mutation causes its fur to appear jet black. But look closely, and the iconic rosette patterns are still there, hidden, revealed only by light. Black jaguars are found across Central and South America, from southern Mexico, through the Amazon basin, to parts of Brazil and beyond. They prefer dense rainforests, swamps, and riverbanks. In these dark environments, black is not a disadvantage, it is camouflage. There is no exact number for black jaguars. They represent only a small fraction of the global jaguar population. Jaguars themselves are classified as near threatened, and individuals with melanism are even rarer. Many live unseen, and many disappear without ever being recorded. The black jaguar is an apex predator. Its diet is remarkably diverse. Deer, wild pigs, monkeys, even caimans and turtles, and sadly, they also prey on capybaras. Its bite is the strongest of all big cats, powerful enough to pierce bone and shell. Like most big cats, black jaguars spend up to 15 hours a day resting. They are most active at dusk and during the night, silent, patient, waiting for the perfect moment. Female jaguars give birth once every 2 to 3 years, usually to 1 to 4 cubs. Not all cubs are black. Their color depends on the genetics of both parents. Cubs are born blind, completely dependent on their mother. For nearly 2 years, they learn to hunt, or they do not survive. Black jaguars are not hunted for meat. They are hunted for appearance. Their dark fur is considered rare and valuable in illegal wildlife trade. Habitat loss makes things worse. As forests disappear, conflict with humans increases. The black jaguar does not ask to be saved. It asks for only one thing: a forest. As long as the jungle stands, the shadow will remain, unseen, yet essential.